I love waking up and coming to work because I know that it's going to be different and I'm going to be learning something and it's going to be variety. I know that I'm not going to go and sit in an office all day and be bored typing at the computer. I'm going to be out and about, getting involved and learning, which I don't think you can ever stop learning. My name is Jacinta and I'm an operator maintainer at Tomago Aluminium. For the past 10 years I've been working in recruitment and sales, so Tomago is very different from what I'm used to. The transition wasn't as hard as what I expected. Everyone trains you really well here and sort of gives you some expectations of what it's all going to be like, but it was tough going from heels to boots. My role is an operator or maintainer of the small fabric filters on site. So we have 52 in total, so it's mostly around the carbon and cast house areas. My team is great. We definitely love having a joke with each other and keeping it very light. We last week started a 6-week challenge in the Tomago gym, which is all covered as a part of the employees. And each day we pick of what gym activities we're going to do together. So it's certainly interesting and makes you very sore afterwards, that's for sure. My perception before I started, because Tomago itself has had a lot of long-term employees and historically, it is a male-dominated industry, so I guess I was a little bit worried about how everyone would picture me, being a young female coming in, not knowing anything. And now, how I feel, I just think if so many people knew how easy it is to transition into a role like this, there'd be so many people doing it. I really love that Tomago is looking for more women in the plant because everyone is so opening to women here. Everyone's willing to help. The second that they see you, they always ask how you're going, which is really welcoming for a female, especially in a male-dominated industry. You want to feel welcome and they really do make you feel that here. If you're looking at a transition and doing something new, I say go for it. I've come from recruitment into an operator. If I can do it, everyone can do it, I think. Definitely a future for me here in Tomago, and the opportunities that they're willing to give you straight away, within the 6 months, you could definitely see yourself stepping up, and that's great to me because I love growing in roles, especially at a company you want to work for. If you start in a company and the core values that you agree with, that sky's the limit and you can do many other roles, which hopefully I'll do here at Tomago.